Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a complete sales funnel in System.io from start to finish. And if you want to try System.io for free, check out the link in my description below. So let's get started. From your System.io dashboard, you just have to click the sites and look for the sales funnels. Then click for the create button. Then you can select your name and you can choose your domain. And for this tutorial, select the cell for the funnel goal. And since it automatically creates an order form and a thank you page, then you have to click the save button. Look for the one that you haven't created and select it. Then you just have to click the add step to create a complete funnel. Create a name and select for a sales page since we're selling it, and select a template that you like. Or you can start into a blank page if you prefer building from a scratch. Then look for the template that you want to. Or you can start with like for example, like I have mentioned that you can create into a blank page if you prefer building from a scratch. Next, click the edit page. So it will open a drag and drop editor. Then here you can customize your page. You can edit the page editor, place it with the default text, image colors, and buttons with your own content. Your sales page should clearly explain what you're offering, the benefits of your product or service, testimonials or social proof if available, and a strong call to action button that leads a visitor to the order form. Then you can save the changes when you're finished. Then we just have to return to your funnel and click the order form step. Choose again for a template and customize it if needed. Next is just add the product or offer you want to sell and connect your preferred payment method such as Stripe or PayPal or any other local bank accounts. This is where customers complete their purchase. And after that, just go back to open your thank you page. Then you can now custom and personalize it. So thank your customers for their purchase and let them know what happens next. So just have to click any template here that you prefer to. Click again for the edit page. And for example, you can include download instructions, login details, or links to access their product. Then you can click the save changes and go back from the panel page and click the automations to automatically follow with customers or new leads and select for the rules. Click again for the create and choose a trigger here. So we have an option like new sale and funnel step from subscribe. Then add an action like subscribe to campaign or grant course access. So this allows System.io to send emails or deliver products automatically after someone completes your funnel. Then we can just test and publish your funnel. Before sharing your funnel, test every step. Make sure button works correctly and your page display properly on desktop and mobile, and the checkout process runs smoothly. Once everything looks good, copy your funnel URL and start sharing it through social media, email marketing, or paid ads. With your sales funnels, order form, thank you page, and email automation all working together, you'll have a funnel that can capture leads and generate sales automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the free system.io link in the description. Thank you for watching on this one, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.